You send in complaints about roads and bridges in need of repair. Well, the problems reached a fever pitch 6 years ago.
But a fund was created that's helping your local leaders fix the trouble spots you travel along every day. This was a common sight in Mississippi in 2017 and 2018.
Where the federal government came in and discovered that we had bridges in a lot worse shape than what our records showed on the local system. And the state was at risk of losing our federal funds for transportation if we did not take steps to adequately address that concern. Then Governor Bryant declared an emergency.
MDOT Executive Director Brad White says we aren't in an emergency anymore, due in large part to the Emergency Road and Bridge Repair Fund that was created during a special session in 2018.
A total of around $570 million that the state of Mississippi has put into this, about 346 bridges that have been replaced.
You'll often hear questions of pet projects and playing favorites when money is divvied up during the legislative session, but there are some safeguards to prevent that in this program.
The best thing about the fund that I like is the fact that the legislature set it up in a way that removed politics from it. So no county gets favored over another one.
An advisory board is made up of stakeholders, but MDOT doesn't have a member on the board. Their staff does help with the data needed as the submitted projects are scored.
It's based on things like the length of the detour, the access of emergency vehicles, the truck traffic that's on there. Issues like that that kind of give a bit of a data-driven process that, like I said, removes the politics from it and gives the commission the opportunity to administer these funds where the biggest needs are in a very unbiased and fair and equitable way around the state.
This bridge in Clinton is one of the awarded projects from 2023 that will soon be repaired by the city. Each year, the requests outweigh the funding. Next month, MDOT commissioners will look at the projects that meet the criteria for that latest round of funding.